Sister Rose, happy birthday, Sister Rose. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sister Rose.
Wish ka na.
Sister Rose, I wish you a happy birthday. Tibo mo pala ngayon. O saan ang handaan? Sa Jake Pavilion sana ako maghanda. Si Ninang ko rin ito, yung pinakamagandang Ninang. Sa bumong dating.
Happy birthday.
Lola Ros, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Sana laging malakas ang katawan mo and thank you din and God bless. Mama Chup Chup.
Hi Master! Kumusta? Happy birthday lamat si kayo! Nung pa-share kayo o Dubai, la kayo lamat dyan lamesa, ta ilutuan ta kayo masamit yakanan. Happy birthday! God bless! More health! I love you!
Happy birthday, kumare. Kumon umbayag ni bilay mo. Tanmang paabig ka. Bawas-bawasan mo ka panangan mo. Tapano umbayag ni bilay mo. Siyempre, kumare ta ka inanaro ta ka. Kanyan, nung nayari, mambawas kay panangan. Sansaki ko sara labat. Okay, babos. I love you. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday, Rose. May you have more birthdays to come. On your 70th birthday, you are already on line of 70th.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. God bless and good health.
Ninang, salamat na si kay Ninang ko. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Hello po Lola Ros. Happy 70th birthday po. Enjoy your day and ingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Hello, Watching Rose. Happy 70th birthday. Wish you long life and good health. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rose.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. God bless you always. Enjoy your special day po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Rose.
Happy birthday, Lola Rose.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie or Lola. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ne, Atsi Rose, galala. Anto itawag ko si Atsi o Atsi o kaanakan. Basta whatever. Happy birthday din galala ne. Nya ne karidi la ne pukpuk palayog ne para unugaw ka. Kumunta idang kanya Diyos na kasil na laman kan likod. Bilay, enjoy life labat. Gata ulat tala Dubai. Thank you.
Hello po, Auntie Rose. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko po sa inyo na sana marami pa yung birthday na dumating sa'yo. And good health po. God bless. Enjoy your day po, Auntie. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Sana lagi kayong malakas. God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang. More blessing niya. Ng birthday kilamot. Wajak natalad yun, trabaho. Wajak may kumpari kayo ni si kanakan yung damaso, happy birthday la. Masil na online ay kumoy laman nyo. Tan Ninang Rose, tan sa isak, hindi ka, tan sa isak ni happy garyo, asikaso yung laman nyo. Wala ibagato ay kumpari dyan, may kanakan nyo ni. Salita ka, hindi tumanak ko. Wala daw po.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Nuka ba ini kumon tak may ken si Damaso ami sikat kin dawol akay hay kumante angkay happy birthday Auntie kahit sani ba kami dani ken si kapisan ko ang tayong malatan hirap na bilay ano sa ba ato jasi kayo Auntie nilukis ko magpakasin kayo kapisan ka magaboy happy birthday Auntie babang salamat.
Sila laman nyo. Kasi lang sa siri nilang. Happy birthday lang. Wajak kami natan. Trabaho. Si Sirin nilang. Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Ninang Rose. Sana mas tumagal pa ang iyong buhay. More blessings para sa inyo, Ninang. Happy birthday.
Hi, ate. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Sana ingatan mo yung sarili mo para matagal, maano pang buhay mo. Thank you.
Sige lang. Happy 70th birthday, Mare. Kumon, maksiso. Lamanyo, lawas. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Mama Rose! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Rose!
Happy birthday, Lola Rose. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ante. God bless you.
Hi, Rose. Kumusta ka doon? Balita, di ka naman na. Happy birthday. Kapag-isip mo dyan.
Hello, Lola Rose! Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi at sana bigyan pa po kayo ni God ng malakas na pangangatawan sa araw-araw. Thank you and happy birthday again! Happy birthday, Lola Rose! Sana mabuhay kayo na matagal. I love you!
Ate Rose, happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. God bless po. More blessings and more your life. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless.
Si Rose, happy 70 years old na. Sana, tumagal pa ang buhay mo. Matagal na katagal. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happiest birthday, Auntie Rose. I wish you a good health always. More candles to blow and enjoy your special day. God bless po.
God bless you! I love you, ate!
Hello, happy birthday, Rose. More birthday to come. Magpakasipan mo, tapi ang walong karawan ka. Ang sakit mo rantan. Salamat!
Hi, Ate Rose. Good morning. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Isang mas agdutudukoy subilayo. Yaon sabi. Sa Diyos marunong tan. Itutut si kayo. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Rose. Happy birthday, Ate Rose. Sana magtagal ka pa hanggat 100 years ka. Million years. Happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rose. God bless you more and enjoy your birthday. From Vidal family. We love you, Ate Rose. Bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Ate. Enjoy your day. You are a great woman, a lady, a grandma to your grandson, granddaughter. Ate, I hope more candles and more blessings to come. Haba pang buhay niyo. Happy birthday, Ate.
Hello, I want to greet my Auntie Rose for 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. God bless. Sana tumagal po ang buhay nyo at maging malakas ang katawan nyo sa araw-araw. Pagpalain nawa po kayo ng Panginoon. Love you, Ate Rose.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
birthday! Happy birthday, Rosita Reyes!
Happy birthday! God bless you more and more healthy years to come.
More blessings.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. Sana sa birthday nyo, matagal pa yung buhay nyo para sa mga anak nyo na umaasa pa kayo sa inyo. Sana yung buhay nyo matatagal pa. Happy birthday ulit, Auntie Rose.
Hi Maring, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo good health at happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola Rose. Love you po. Mag-ingat ka po palagi.
Hi, Ate Rose! Happy birthday! May you have many more birthdays to come. Ma'am, yung stay pretty and more blessings to come and good health. Oh, happy birthday! Very happy birthday. God bless you. Oh.
Birthday Lola Rose, more birthdays to come and good health.
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Rose.
Happy birthday!
God bless and good health always.
Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ninang Rose.
Hi Auntie, happy 70 birthday po. Naway lagi pong malakas ang iyong pangatawan at lagi po kayong i-bless ni Lord. More birthday kam po. God bless po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Rose! Happy birthday! Come on, hindi kayo nilay tayo. Para kasi hindi tayo.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Abalayan.
More birthday to come, Mabalayan.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rose. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Rose! I love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Rose. Sana mabuhay kayo.
Hello Mama Rose, you're another year older and wise. Wishing you lots of blessings and birthday wishes. Love you Mama Rose, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Happy birthday, Mama Rose.
Love you, come on.
Love you, Ma.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Sana lagi kayong healthy at masaya. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Hi po Lola, happy birthday po. Sana maging okay na po kayo and mas makasama pa po namin kayo ng matagal. Ingatan niyo po lagi yung sarili niyo Lola. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose! More birthdays to come and good health
palagi.
We love you! Ba't mo naman
Happy birthday, Lola. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. So, ingat po palagi and have a long life. Stay healthy. Huwag kayo makulit. Iwas-iwas sa pagkain ng bawal. Say hello. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Hello La, happy birthday po. I miss you. Bisita ra ko di apohon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. I miss you so much and take care of yourself. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Sana gumaling ka na tapos salamat
pag-alaga sa akin. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng mahaba at malutuan mo pa ako ng mga pagkain kahit matabang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Rose. Sana tumagal pa yung buhay mo. At sana mag-iingat ka palagi. Bye, I love you.
Hello, sister. Happy birthday, sister. Wish ko na ba? Kumunando ko ni pambilay mo. I love you, sister. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Wish you in good health. Pagaling kayo lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sister. Kumun lawas, makmak lawas sulaman nyo. Idadasal ko yan na inaya. Kumun, makmak nga po sabi-sabi. Yung birthday ko kumun, so, nisasalamat at nabalbalag lawas at si kayo. Sa anong lang kuno, ang tuso pa ng harayot si kami tansari anak ko. Salamat na balbalag at si inanaro ni kayo. Malapod anak ko, asawa siya, masyado pa nangaramit si kayo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, Mama Rose. Good afternoon. How are you? Happy birthday. Happy birthday again. May God bless your soul and health. I hope your health is very good and going well. We really miss you, and soon we will meet you. May God give you more health and more life. We will see everybody, inshallah, for happy. And thank you for your hard work to grow the ayay. And every single day we praying for your health, and inshallah everything will be okay, and we will see you soon. Take care of your health, take care of everything around you. See you, Mama Rose. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Mama. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo, Cristel. Panalangin ko na sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay at good health. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I miss you. See you soon. God bless.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Wini-wish ko yung health mo and wealth na rin. And I'm always praying for you no matter what. Daily na yan siya. And Ma, thank you for raising up on us na napaka-buti ng dugo mo. Mana-mana na very kind, humble person, and lovable, pag-aaruga, and understanding, and especially long patience na kinamit mo sa amin lahat. And I'm very proud of you, Mana. We are very oriented family because of you, na hindi mo kami pinabayaan lahat-lahat. Napaka-sacrifice mo sa amin, and we knows about it, and God, we handle everything. And I miss you sa lahat ng binigay mong pag-aaruga sa amin. Thank you. We saw your hardship, and we show the shine din. Ups and down. Yun, hindi man po kita kinakausap, pero lagi kong pinag-pray kay God in the right time and place na rin po. And yan, happy birthday ulit, Ma, and I love you so much. I miss you always. Na-miss ko na kitang alagaan, Mama. And I wish na mahag kita ulit, mag-kiss, and sana ma-appreciate mo yung maliit na surprise namin with all of us, or family group, or cooperation so far, kung saan mang tangang dakong magipag-cooperate it's birthday mo. And that's it. Happy birthday, Ma, and once again.
Hello, Ma. Good evening. Sana yung kanta na ito ay marinig ko dahil alam kong paborito mo ito, kaya kinanta ko. Ipanalangin ko rin na magiging mas mahaba ang buhay mo at medyo yung buhay mo. Lahat naman tayo kasi talaga pagla kong lang kumakata tayo. Expected na natin yan, kaya the Lord bibigay He is in control of us. Stay calm, stay healthy, be happy lang always, Mama. Ayaw na kita tayo soon. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo dyan. Mahal ka namin. Swerte ka naman dahil lahat ng mga anak mo ay nagkikare sa'yo. Di lahat ng anak ay nagkikare sa magulang. Kaya laki ka na rin, Mama. Kaya stay healthy, Mom. I love you.
Hi, Mang. Happy 70th birthday. Congratulations. Bonus na. Usually, ang mga lifespan sa most of the countries naarag 60 or 70. Anyway, binabati kita syempre ng maligayang araw at sana okay ka lang. Sana sasaya ka sa birthday mo. Sasaya ka sa mga preparation ng mga tao para sa'yo. especially sa mga anak mo, apo mo, and more life. Sana makakasama ka pa namin ng mahabang panahon. More candles to blow, more gifts to open. Ano ba? More apos. More than 15. Wow, apos. I'm sure medyo fulfill na yung feeling mo kasi okay ka na eh. Diba? Okay naman na yung mga anak mo. And actually, thank you so much, of course, dahil yung pinamana mong sa amin, kabaitan, especially yung pagiging masipag, yan eh, namana namin sa'yo. And yeah, thankful sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo, pag-alaga mo, mga paghihirap para lang sa pamilya. Alam namin yon. At yeah, maraming salamat. Actually, word na salamat is not enough kasi sobra na yung ginawa mo noon, o mula noon hanggang ngayon, diba? May mga pasaway pa rin mga anak mo, mga apo. Anyway, nasa duty ako, papasok. Sana, yep, once again, happy 70th birthday to you. I love you, Mang. At sana magkita tayo soon, diba? And kailan ka pala magbabakasyon? Bukas. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Hi Ma, happy 70th birthday. Wish ko lang sa inyo na sana laging malakas ang inyong katawan at hindi po kayo nagkakasakit. Maraming salamat Ma sa mga sakripisyo nyo sa amin. Lagi kayo nandyan sa amin, hindi nyo kami pinapabayaan. Lalo na sa mga apo ninyo, sana haba-habaan nyo pa rin ang iyong buhay kasi alam nyo na, alagaan nyo pa rin. Malay nyo, kakaanak ako, mag-aalaga pa rin kayo ng inyong apo. Antayin nyo yung magiging apo nyo sa akin. Kaya sana Ma, magiging malakas ka. Huwag nyo rin pabayaan yung sarili nyo at huwag kang pasaway na laging kumakain ng kahit ano para hindi tayo nagkakasakit. I love you Ma. Happy 70th birthday. God bless. Mwah.